Hi guys, just a quick video to explain what is Google Ads. I know we've all heard of Google Ads, but we don't actually know what it is and what it does and how it actually helps you. So it's just a quick video just to show you the different formats as to how you can get your ads in front of people. So Google Ads is an advertising platform by Google, and what they do is they place your adverts in front of people who are ready to buy. So what that means is when you're searching for something, whether you're searching for leather shoes or an electrician in Newcastle or Durham, an advert which is relevant for that will appear at the top for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop on the computer and show you exactly what type of ad formats that are available for you to use. Right, so there's about 5 different ad formats that you can put your products or services in front of people who are searching for you. And the main one really is the search ads. So if we're looking and searching in Google, we'll type in leather, let's go for leather jacket. You will see that the first page is full of ads. That is the main thing that will actually put you ahead of the rest of your competition. So you can see that you've got ad here, genuine leather jackets, and you've got Stradivarius.com, that's another ad, Wish.com, that's another ad, and K9, oh sorry, not even K9, Cane Leathers. Canine Leathers would have been a good one. Cane Leathers is an advert as well. So these are search ads. Now on the right here you can see some images, and these are what you call shopping ads. So if you've got e-commerce business, you have to upload your list of items that you stock, and they will appear here for when someone searches leather jacket. So that's shopping ads, and that is search ads. Now the search ads normally appear at the top, and they will do unless it's not something people are bidding on. But you can see that it goes all the way down here. These are the organic results here without the ads. So you can see that they're quite a way down there, halfway down the page. And also as well, at the bottom, you'll see an ad there as well. Okay, so that's the search ads, and that's the shopping ads. The third type of ad format that's available for you is called a display ad. So what a display ad is it's an actual graphic on your a graphic that you create, and then you put it onto other people's websites. So just a quick one, which I did a little bit of Mum's Net. A website that I had a look at before, which has Google Ads display, is Mumsnet. So you can see here, Iceland, this is the Google Ads, and you've got one here as well. You can see that it's seamless in the website, so it looks part of the website. And when you actually click into a link, see an article, again, you can see that it's loading up the ad there. Or not, but it did before. And there you go. It's actually just popped up now. So these ads can be placed in any website that has the Google AdSense, and it's widely used for, it depends on who you're actually targeting. So you can target specific websites that your target audience goes to, and that's one of the key things for display ads, because they don't really convert that well. because it's not search intent, it's just an advert that displays there. So for search ads, if you're typing in leather jacket, or leather jacket medium size, I don't know what type of leather, biker leather jackets, it's very specific, so you can appear for those search terms rather than a general leather jacket. Okay. The fourth type of ads that Google has is called the video ads, and they generally appear on YouTube videos. Now, the ads that appear can appear at the start of a video or in the middle, depending on how long the video is, or at the end. So if you have a look at this one, this one's got 75 million views, so should have ads, and you see that you've got vanish. Okay. I generally don't do video ads, basically because they take quite a while to do them. You obviously got to create the video, and then you've got to create sort of the different versions to test out. So it's not a case of having one video and then plonking it in and then appearing it for different channels, which you can do, but in order to be effective, you want to be obviously doing several different videos. And if you've got several different videos, great, you can try it, but I generally don't do the Google video ads. Okay, so the final ad type that you have available to you is called an app ad, and they're specifically for other businesses who have got software or apps that they want to advertise. And you can see at the bottom here you've got Amazon Pantry. So you do have people who advertise on this who aren't apps and who aren't tech sector, but generally they're very poor at converting. And what we mean by converting is either an inquiry or sales, because the reason why it's poor is these ads appear on apps, and so they get clicked on by accident. And generally, people don't mean to click on the ad to find out a bit more. They're normally on the app to actually use. And every time someone clicks on that app, it's actually going to cost you. So whenever you do a campaign, always remove the option to appear on apps, because that's going to cost you money. I hope that's helped you understand sort of the different type of ad formats that you have available to you. I know some of you probably didn't even know there was 5 different Google type ads, but now that you know, you can obviously, when you're searching online or you're on your app, you understand, oh, that's actually a Google ads. Generally, I tend to focus on the search ads, and the reason why that is because people are actually searching for the type of product or services that might be relevant to you, and therefore if you've got a restricted budget and you don't have an endless budget, that's very good for you, because you can appear at the top without actually costing you a fortune. So I hope that's helped. I'm going to go into different areas and explain sort of how you can optimize your ads, how to appear for it, and hopefully I'll do a bit of training to help you get set up as well. Okay, speak to you later.